In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are the best Airbnb credit cards 2026, step by step. Before you apply for anything, get clear on what you want most from a card. If you're a frequent Airbnb traveler, maximizing travel rewards is usually the goal. If you're planning a big trip soon, a large welcome bonus can jumpstart your points. If you prefer to keep costs down, a no annual fee card may be best. And if you value simplicity above all, straightforward cashback that you can use for anything is hard to beat. For general travel rewards that work well with Airbnb, consider cards that earn broadly on travel and let you redeem against travel purchases. The Capital One Venture Rewards credit card is a standout because it typically earns 2 miles per dollar on virtually everything, and you can apply those miles toward Airbnb stays. It often comes with a hefty introductory bonus and gives you flexible redemption that's easy to use. Another favorite is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. It's known for a big sign-up bonus, solid rewards on travel that can include Airbnb spend, and the ability to redeem through the issuer's portal or transfer to travel partners for added value. If you want to avoid annual fees, look at the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card. It earns points on travel you can redeem as a statement credit against Airbnb charges, and it generally has no foreign transaction fees, which is helpful abroad. The Wells Fargo Autograph Card is another strong no-fee option, offering 3x points on many everyday categories, including travel, which typically covers Airbnb, plus a useful introductory bonus and easy travel redemptions. Prefer cashback? The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card keeps it simple with a flat 2% on every purchase. You can use that cashback to offset Airbnb costs as a statement credit. The Citi Custom Cash Card can be powerful for occasional Airbnb bookings because it automatically gives up to 5% back in your top eligible category each billing cycle, which can often be travel. Just remember that category resets monthly based on where you spend the most. If premium perks matter, cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve and Capital One Venture X Rewards card add higher earn rates, travel credits, and lounge access. They do carry higher annual